All right, so lesson 12.2 is all about the law of cosines. I gave you the formulas below. It says let triangle ABC be any triangle with A, B, and C representing the measures of sides opposite the angles with measurements A, B, and C respectively. Then the following is true. Now, before I go into the equations, you got to remember again that lowercase a, b, and c are your sides, uppercase a, b, and c are your angles. If you're looking for side lengths, use the yellow equations. If you're looking for angles, use the green equations. Do you have to have these memorized? No. Okay, you do not need to have these memorized because you can always go back and look at your notes. So what I would recommend you do for all of these problems is I would recommend you label what you have. Okay, so I'm going to call x lowercase a. I'm going to call, actually, let's do it this way. We're going to say a is equal to x. That's what we're looking for. A, uppercase A, is 22. We'll say B equals 11 and C equals 12. Now, we have enough information here to solve the first equation. So we're going to say x squared equals, let's see, B squared would be 11. So 11 squared plus 12 squared minus 2 times 11 times 12 times the cosine of 22. We can clean this up a little bit more and say x squared equals 121 plus 144 minus whatever 2 times 11 times 12 times the cosine of 22. We don't even know what that is, but it doesn't matter because what we can do is just put this into our calculator. So we go to Desmos, all right, and we're going to put in 121. What was the next part? Plus 144. And then minus 2 times 11 times 12 times the, was it cosine of 22, I believe, times the cosine of 22. And when we do that, we enter, we get 20.22. But remember, we need to take the square root of that. So square root of 20.222 is going to give us a side length of about 4.5. So we can say that A is about 4.5 units. Now, does this make sense? 22 degrees is a pretty small angle. It's probably the smallest of the three, so that would mean that our side length has to be small. So it does make sense that we would get x is approximately 4.5.